So in this problem, 612, is college worth it? I made an error when calculating my standard error. Let me show you what I did initially. When we're calculating our standard error, what we need to do is we need to do the square root of whatever our p-value is times 1 minus the p-value divided by the number of people in this case that were surveyed. What I had done is I did the p-hat value, which is what we do when we're making our confidence interval. I guess I was still in the confidence interval mindset. What we should be doing is we should be using p and not p-hat. So here when I'm computing, and you can see the standard errors for this problem are basically the same. They're really, really close because these numbers are so close together and n is very big. But what we should be doing when we compute our standard error is we should be taking p times 1 minus the p-value over n. So I have this equation written out in the forum, but I'm just letting you know here. So this would be the correct computation. This one is incorrect, so I want to just delete it. All right. And I'll go ahead and take this thing and I'll change it to B10 there. All right. This P is what is coming from our hypothesis, right? Our null hypothesis and alternative hypothesis are both based on this like status quo, this population parameter that we're assuming. So once again, when we're computing this thing, we have to do, and I'll write it out all clunky here, we have to do the square root of P minus 1, or P times 1 minus P divided by our sample size. Right, not p-hat, so we want to use p there. Sorry for the mistake, and I'll make another video explaining in a little bit more clarity, or a little more general. Then I'll do it one more time. Alright, thanks, bye.